Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, we've got a very interesting topic this time and it needs to be addressed. It needs to be put out for you guys to really understand, and that is my goal here, okay? So, guys, get ready, listen up, because this is gonna get your knowledge up to that next level. Now, most of you know that Bone is the golden child, okay? Bone has a lot of potential. Bone is going to have a lot of utility, a use case, so a lot of great things will be happening to Bone. But we are still speculating what the price could be, okay? Because nobody really knows where Bone could go in terms of price, how far, what can be made out of it, okay? So all that great stuff will need to be addressed. And that stuff will need to be explained and to really be put into a realistic perspective. Otherwise, you guys will be very confused. So, as most of you know, Bone is expected to glow. It's expected to blow up in price, but a lot of people are saying that it could be going up to $100, okay? Which in my opinion is very possible. But the question is, what is the time frame? How long is it going to take? And when exactly is it going to happen? And a lot of people do understand that all of this will be possible post Shibarium. That is very true. I really highly doubt, okay, 99.99% that it's going to happen pre Shibarium. The $100 touch, okay, if we ever touch that price. But what could happen and what could make it very exciting is the post Shibarium era. But the question is here, will it happen the moment Shibarium is announced and it is released and we touch $100, or is it going to happen after months, a few months, or maybe a few years? Where Bone is being utilized, where Shibarium is being utilized, where it's becoming very limited. So which one is it? That's the big question, okay? And this question needs to be answered by me, because I know that there are a lot of very optimistic investors out there, okay, which is great. I love it. But I am going to have to also make you not only optimistic investors, but realistic investors. And I'm gonna have to break it to you guys, but we won't be reaching $100, the moment Shibarium comes out, the moment it's announced. That's not gonna happen, because there's still a very long way to go, okay? As you know, we have been seeing very high prices around $2. That's considered very high. So I think $100 is, there isn't that much probability of that happening that quickly, but will it happen? Yes, it will, okay, at some point. And that point will be when Bone is going to be utilized by everyone. Shibarium is, at its most efficient performance, and where, you see the social media really covering Bone. So all these type of things, when all the listings happen, these type of factors will lead to an increase in price, okay? More and more pumps, and after a while it'll keep on growing. It's like, imagine you're learning a skill, you're learning a language. You won't become fluent in a language overnight, but over a certain period of time, once you're practicing, it's likely that you will become much better, okay? Hate it, like it, it's the way it is, okay? And what am I predicting for Bone once Shibarium is released? Well, undoubtedly an explosion, okay, in price, for sure. And you guys are going to see massive returns on your investments, especially those that managed to snatch up Bone when it was below 50 cents. That's going to be crazy. But, it could go up as high as $10, you know, $20, but $100 straight away is not very, I wouldn't say very likely. I mean, it would be nice, but I believe it's just too high. Okay, we're gonna have to be a little bit patient, a little bit realistic about it. But guys, $10, $20, $30, $40, you know, all that is still crazy amounts of money. I mean, we are getting excited about $2, crazy. And then after a while, while Bone is being used and over, transactions are happening, that's where we could see us getting closer to $100 for sure, okay? But like I've said, I don't think, and I don't see it happening straight away once Shibarium is released. Guys, you are going to have to be realistic about it, okay? And please, the more realistic you are, the stronger you are, the higher, you know, your hopes are. All that put together will help you reach, you know, a point where you can be comfortable waiting for high prices, because there is going to be an absolute, you know, frenzy the moment Shibarium comes out. And what I mean by that is that when the announcement happens, okay, when it comes out, the price will undoubtedly go up, and lots of people will be buying and selling, okay? So there's going to be a lot of movement happening, and that might mislead you a little bit, that might get you a little bit confused, and that's okay. It's all part of the investments. I mean, anything is possible and everything is possible. So this is why, you know, I suggest that you guys are strong and patient, that you don't, you know, fall for any false information, that you stick to your game plan. And you should already start thinking, I mean, what is your game plan? Are you selling out straight away once Shibarium is released, or are you going to wait for a bit and see how it goes, or have you allocated, you know, percentages? This much you sell out at this point, then you sell out another point. Like, really let us know. It would be very interesting in the comment section. Just write down below your movements, your action, which is very important. Another point that needs to be stressed out is the fact that Bone, okay, Bone is very unknown at the moment, okay? Well, in comparison to what it has to offer, what it brings to the table. So not that many people understand and know that it's the gas token. Everybody's all about the big names, you know. There are a lot of investors in Shiba Inu, for example, but because they look at the past results, the past charts, you know, numbers, and it has produced great numbers, and that's why people get excited about it. And I think Shiba Inu is going to do very well as well, and it's also after Shibarium with a great burning mechanism and stuff, but it's going to take longer because Bone is directly attached to Shibarium, okay? It is, you read the white papers, the wolf papers, guys, you will see what Bone brings to the table. I've made many videos and I've already explained it. So when it's being utilized so much, it creates that massive value in it. And the more people start understanding, the more people start using it, they'll start buying it up, and there isn't even that much Bone in supply. So all that will lead to a high price. We will be seeing, okay, the price growing the more it's being utilized, and I think it's going to follow you know, the path of many others that were used as gas tokens. I mean, look at Ethereum, what happened, and the more it was being used, the higher the price went. So this is how exciting things are at the moment. So please be you know, very optimistic, because you know exactly what is going to happen. And right now we're sitting on bargain prices, absolute bargain price. They could change, I mean, by the time this video is released, but what I'm trying to say is that because it is projected to go that high up, these prices are absolutely nothing. Although we've been waiting for quite a while, still absolutely nothing. Very little in comparison to the future. So be ready, get ready. Turn your notifications bell on. I've got many videos coming out, okay? I'm warning you guys about many things, letting you know about the future. Like in this video, you know, I've explained to you that $100 most likely we won't see straight after Shibarium gets released, but over a period of time, very possible, because it's going to grow, okay? It's going to be like a hill. It's going to carry on growing up, you'll see this chart, okay? Look at the mouse at $100, okay? And the line just growing. That's what you're gonna see. Yes, undoubtedly there'll be a massive spike. Boom, big spike, okay? But that spike, I'm not sure if it's going to go to $100 straight away. But you let me know down below, okay? If you believe that is the case. If not, when do you think potentially what needs to happen for it to go to $100? All your thoughts in the comment section below would be much appreciated. And yeah, guys, a big thank you to everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.